Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg and I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel. Children, class 10th children especially, how are you all? Hope all are good, all must be studying hard. Soon your boards are approaching. So my best wishes for all, for everyone. God bless you. Right? Okay. So now today we are here with the chapter of constructions and now we have to start with it, and what we will be doing is dividing a line segment in the given ratio. If we are given any line segment and we have to divide it in a given ratio, how to do that, how to construct it, right? So for that, first of all, we draw a line. If the measurement is given, we have to draw the line segment of the same measurement. If the measurement is not given, then we can draw the line of any length. Say for example, I make this line. Let it be A and B. Fine. Now with this AB, we have to make an acute angle, right? Acute angle, any acute angle that we can make, and we name that ray as AX. Fine. First step is draw the line segment. Second step is make any acute angle BAX. Right? Then what? We have to divide this AB in the ratio 3:2. Right? So what we do? We just make the sum of the ratio. It is 5. So what we do? We divide this ray AX into 5 equal parts. And for that, how to divide? We take any radius and we make 5 equal arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fine. We name these points as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. This is the third step. Next step is join this A5 to B. Join A5 to B. Right? We have joined A5 to B. Now, this AB is to be divided in the ratio 3:5. And this complete is 5 parts. We have divided into 5 parts. Now what? We take 3, A3, 1, 2 and 3. See, these are the 5 parts. अगर हम इनको 3 और 2 के ratio में if we divide, then we get this A3, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part separate and 1 and 2 separate, right? So at this A3, we have to make a line which is parallel to A5B, right? A5B is the line. We have to make a line from A3 cutting AB at some point which is parallel to A5B. Now to draw the parallel line, what to do? We have to measure this angle first of all. We measure this angle. Parallel line बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We measure this angle like this. ऐसे arc बनाएंगे. And then we measure the arc. Same thing, the same radius. वही angle यहाँ पर बनाएंगे. ऐसे arc रखा, यहाँ रखा और इस arc को cut कर दिया like this. So you have got this point. If you join this, it will intersect somewhere at B and it will be parallel to A5B. Like this. Name this as C. Right? Right? So just see, this will be your 3 parts. This is your 2 parts. That means this is complete. AB was 5. And this is in the ratio 3:2. This is A3. A3 के बाद A4, A5. You have made a parallel line like this. So this AB is divided into 5 parts in which 3 parts are one side, 2 parts is another side. That means now AC ratio BC will be 3:2. Fine. I hope the construction is clear to you. Once again, I'll tell you the steps. What you have done, you have drawn a line segment. If the length is given, of the same measurement you have to draw. If the length is not given, then any measurement you can take. Then make any acute angle. The next step, whatever is the ratio given, make the sum of it and make the same ratios here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join the last with the fifth part. Measure this angle. Same thing, same angle, make here like this and make a line which is parallel to this line. These points, this line now, say let it be AB. So now AB is divided in the ratio 3:2. Fine. I hope this construction is clear to you all children. Right. Okay. So now in this exercise, next exercise, now you have to make the triangle given to, means you have to make the triangle in which you are given the measurements. Maybe the bigger triangle, maybe the smaller triangle. But that is deleted this time from the syllabus. So this time from this exercise only we have to construct the line segment according to the given ratios. Right? So please practice it. Next video we will be doing the construction of tangents. Okay children? Bye bye. God bless you.